Hi guys. Okay, so don't mind me. I kind of look a mess. My hair is not done or nothing because it doesn't need to be done for what I'm about to show you guys. Okay, all I have on is a little bit of the Liquid Touch foundation and my 3D lashes. And I just wanted to show you guys because sometimes people kind of freak out when they hear that the 3D lashes is not waterproof. It's only water resistant. So I just wanted to show you really quick like how well they really do hold up. So it is raining outside, and I'm going to go ahead and step out in that rain, and I'll be back in a minute, okay? How are we doing so far? We're doing pretty good so far. As you can see, I'm clearly getting wet. My lashes are holding up so far. I'm gonna go back out there for a minute and see how it does. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so it's raining pretty good, and I'm pretty wet, and check out my lashes. I mean, I think that's pretty good for not waterproof, only water resistant. So rain, don't worry about it. Summer coming, if you're sweating, you're good to go. If you have a hot job and you work around a lot of heat and you're sweating, don't worry about it. This stuff holds up really well. So again, I just had my 3D lashes on, and my foundation, which you can see even that looks intact. I don't have streaks running everywhere. You add in our eyeliner because the eyeliner is waterproof, smudge proof. No worries with that. So you're not going to get no kind of raccoon eyes. So feel free to get stuck in the rain. It's okay. Alright, so until next time, I love you guys.